Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a shelf pipe shelf brackets like the ones you see here. It's easy to do. We're going to use the we're going to use the loft or we're going to follow a guide, and I want to show you how to do that. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and launch Design Sparks Mechanical. Okay, once Design Sparks Mechanical is open, we want to go ahead and create new design. We want to change the view to plan. This doesn't have to be any particular size. Obviously we want it to be like the drawing, so we're going to go ahead and create a long pipe shape and then a shorter one. Okay, so we'll go back to Design Sparks. We're going to go ahead and use the line tool. Go ahead and I'm going to turn on Snap to Grid. And then maybe we'll do, let's go 3-inch. So we'll do a 3-inch long pipe. And then we'll do maybe 2. Oops. Undo. Let's go ahead and make that 2.0. Okay, I'll go ahead and click select. I'm going to put a radius between this and this. So we're going to go ahead and get our create rounded corners. Probably do 0.875. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to spin the part. We'll go ahead and go to mode, go to the 3D mode, and we want to select just the end. Go ahead and spin that a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our pipe on there. So we're going to click right where that point it was that we selected, and we're going to drag out. I'm going to do a pipe 0.75. Okay, now go ahead and hit select. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the pool tool. We're going to select that circle that we just created. We're going to use this tool right here, which is called sweep. And we're going to sweep along a path. So hold down the control key and select all of these points. Now when you're done selecting all the points, go ahead and do a full pull. It's going to sweep it along there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and go to the spin. It's a nice little wall bracket. Might have been a little too thick, so we're going to go undo. And instead of 0.75, we're going to do 0.5. So we'll click there, let's go 0.5. Click off select, go to pool, select the circle, go to sweep, hold down the control key to get all these points, then hit the full pull. Okay, I like that a little bit better. So we're going to go ahead and spin that. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at our picture real quick, see what we got. Basically I have this brown middle part here. Okay, so we want to go back to Design Sparks, and we want to click on this pipe right here. We're going to pull it out a little bit bigger, so it's like the one in the picture. Alright, that's not too bad. Back to there. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Go back to Design Sparks. And we want to go ahead and hit spin. We want to spin this around. We want to select the bottom part. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create another circle. I guess we could make that 1.25. Go ahead and click there. Go ahead and spin. Go to pool. Select both those. Let's pull this out. 0.10. Okay, that's good. Go ahead and spin. Not too bad. We'll go ahead and create one over here. Let's go ahead and click this. Go ahead and put the circle there. Create 1.10. Oh, wait a minute. I think that was 1.5. Hold on. Go there. 1.25 is what it was. Okay. Go ahead and spin that. Go to the pull tool. Select both of these. Pull out to 0.10. Okay, now we're going to put the holes in there. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and put a circle. Because we can go there. Undo. Go ahead and get the circle. Let's take off the snap. Let's make the hole 0.17, 0.15. Alright, let's click off of it, click on the circle, go ahead and move, drag this down to the, go back to the 3D part, click on that, move that down to the center, come over here to create pattern. Alright, we don't want 6, we just want 3, so go ahead and do there. Go ahead and spin that. Let's go ahead and select the holes. Pull through. Oops, undo, go to minus for the cut. There we go. Alright, that's looking too bad. Let's go ahead and do this side here. Go ahead and click on that. Click on the circle tool. Let's try L1 there. 0.15. Go to 3D tool, click on that, go to move, drag this down to the center, go ahead and revolve that around. Oh, actually undo, create pattern first, go ahead and drag that around, go type in 3. Alright, go ahead and spin this. Go ahead and select these. Go ahead and pull. Go ahead and cut. Pull to the outside. Alright. go ahead and get our spin tool. That doesn't look too bad. I'm going to blow the pipe up a little bit though, so go pull. Undo. Let me pan this over so I can see what I'm blowing it up to. Okay, so go 0.145. That's a little bit too big. 0.135. Nope. 0.14. Okay, we're going to leave them. Go ahead and spin this around. Basically, there's your, we can make this middle one a little smaller. This is kind of a little too big, so we'll go ahead and click on that. We just want it to be a little bit bigger. Alright, not too bad. So we're going to do a couple more things. We're going to put a fillet in here. Go ahead and click and drag. 0.4, put one in here. Click and drag, 0.4. We'll put a fillet there. Click and drag, 0.4. Put one more right there. Click and drag, 0.4. Go ahead and go to the top. There you go. There's your bracket. Only last thing we could probably do is put a fillet in here. So go ahead and add a small fillet to there, 0.2. And we'll add a small fillet to there, 0.2. Okay, that's going to end the tutorial. Hopefully you found this useful, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing.